Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Let us dive right in. Let's be honest. The idea of starting a workout plan can feel overwhelming. Maybe you have thought, I do not have the time, the space, or the fancy equipment. Or maybe you have tried before but did not stick with it. Trust me, you are not alone. But what if I told you that you can kickstart your fitness journey today? No equipment, no gym, no excuses. Whether you want to feel stronger, have more energy, or just feel good in your own skin, this workout is your ticket. It's simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. So grab some water, find a little space, and let's dive into the top 20 full-body exercises you can do at home. By the end of this video, you will not only have the tools to transform your body, but also the motivation to take that first step. Wow. Warm up. Before we start sculpting your body, let's wake it up. A proper warm-up isn't just about preventing injuries. It's about mentally preparing yourself to crush this workout. Start in a standing position. Slowly roll your shoulders up and back, then to the front again, creating circles. Continue for 15 seconds. Reverse the movement and continue for 15 seconds. Start in a standing position. Swing your arms in front of your body, then bring them backward behind your body. Continue swinging back and forth for 30 seconds. Start standing with your legs apart in a wide squat position. Place your hands on your thighs. Bend your knees slightly, then twist your body to one side, pressing your hands into your thighs to enhance the stretch. Switch and repeat on the opposite side. Slowly move back and forth for 30 seconds. Start by standing at the edge of your mat. Slowly bend your body forward until your hands reach the mat. Walk your hands out into a high plank position. Hold for a moment. Walk your hands back toward your feet and slowly roll back up to standing. Continue for 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. First up, jumping jacks. A classic for a reason. This move wakes up your heart, lungs, and muscles all at once. Plus, who doesn't love the rhythmic clap of your hands overhead? Do this for 60 seconds and you'll feel the energy coursing through your body. Hold the top of your head up and directly between the tops of your shoulders. Keep your hips over your heels and relax your pelvis. From an upright standing position, widen your stance so that your feet are below your shoulders. Keep your arms beside your body and relaxed. Jump and extend your arms overhead. With your feet shoulder-width apart, slightly bend your knees so you can hop. As you hop or jump just a few inches off the ground, lift your arms overhead until your hands are about shoulder-width apart. Extend your legs. As you jump, open your legs wider than shoulder width as you lift your arms overhead. Give or take some space depending on your height, and leave a wide amount of space between your feet. Slightly bend your joints throughout the entire movement. To avoid injury, keep your joints loose. Please do not hold your arms stick straight, but keep them slightly bent. The same goes for your knees. Land in the starting position. After jumping in the air, gently land in the first position with arms at your sides and feet shoulder-width apart. Repeat as needed. You won't get much benefit out of performing one jumping jack. Use them as a way to warm up before a more intense workout, or as a cardio workout itself. Repeat for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your level of fitness. Perform jumping jacks as a quick 5-minute warm-up if you're new to working out. Jump longer to get your heart rate up during a warm-up if you're used to cardio work. A jumping jack warm-up may feel like a workout if you're not especially fit. That's okay. Keep practicing it daily. Specifically, jumping jacks work your glutes, quadriceps hip flexors. Jumping jacks also involve your abdominal and shoulder muscles. High knees. Think of this as running in place, but with extra flair. Drive those knees up high, engage your core, and pump your arms. You're not just warming up, you're setting the tone for an epic session. Stand with legs together and arms at your sides. Lift one knee to your chest. Lower your leg while lifting the other knee. Continue alternating knees, pumping your arms up and down for 30 seconds. Arm circles. Stand tall and extend your arms out like a T. Start with small circles, then go bigger. This simple move gets your shoulders and upper body ready to work. Remember, every great workout starts with the little things. Bodyweight side bends. Place your hands on your hips and gently lean side to side. This stretches your obliques and preps your torso for the core to move ahead. Plus, it feels surprisingly good. Warm-up complete. Your body is awake and it's time to take it to the next level. Core essentials. A strong core is not just about aesthetics. It's the foundation of nearly every movement you make. Let's strengthen yours. Plank hold. Place your palms on the floor, elbows directly underneath your shoulders, hands facing forward so that your arms are parallel. Extend your legs behind you, feet hip-width apart. Tuck your tailbone and engage your core, butt, and quads. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. A 15-minute butt and legs workout you can do anywhere. An upper body workout for beginners. That's easy to follow. Ways to build an actually sustainable workout routine. You love core engagement. Keep your core tight throughout the entire movement. This is key to minimizing any rotation or movement in your hips and torso as you lift each hand. Hip stability. Focus on keeping your hips level and preventing them from swaying side to side. A wider stance with your feet can provide better stability as you progress. Slow and controlled. Perform the shoulder taps slowly and with control to maximize core engagement and prevent losing form. Breathing. Breathe steadily throughout the exercise. Inhale as you prepare to lift your hand, and exhale as you tap your shoulder. Controlled breathing will help stabilize your core and prevent fatigue. The plank is the king of core exercises. Get into a push-up position and hold it. Keep your back straight and your core tight. Every second builds strength, focus, and grit. Struggling? Good. That's your body leveling up. Dead bug. This might sound strange, but trust me, it works. Lie on your back with your arms and legs in the air. Lower opposite limbs slowly and return. This simple yet effective move builds core stability without straining your back. Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist side to side. Imagine you're passing a ball from one hand to the other. No ball? No problem. Your imaginary one works just as well. Bicycle crunches. Alternate. Bringing each elbow to the opposite knee in a pedaling motion. Slow and controlled wins the race here. Feel that burn? That's your core saying, thank you. 3. Upper body strength. Your upper body deserves some love too. These exercises will sculpt your arms, shoulders, and chest. No weights needed. Push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on a low box, a chair, or a table, and assume a high plank position with your feet, knees, hips, and shoulders in a straight line. Brace your core and keep your elbows tucked in close to the sides of your torso. This is the starting position. Bend your elbows and pull shoulder blades together to lower your chest to the box. Press through your palms to straighten your arms back to the starting position. This is 1 rep. Complete 12-15 reps. Push-ups are a full-body move disguised as an arm exercise. Can't do a full one yet? Start on your knees and work your way up. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Superman hold. Lie on your stomach with your arms extended overhead by your ears. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground and squeeze your butt. Keeping your arms and legs off the ground, pull your elbows in toward your sides, then punch overhead. Repeat this punching motion, hovering your arms and legs above the ground and engaging your glutes the entire time. Complete 12-15 reps. Lie face down and lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground like you're flying. This move strengthens your lower back and makes you feel like a superhero in training. Shoulder taps. Hold a plank and alternate tapping each shoulder with the opposite hand. It's like a push-up, but with a twist. Bonus, it sneaks in some core work too. Tricep dips with a chair. Use a sturdy chair or the edge of a couch to target your triceps. Lower yourself slowly and push back up. Feel the back of your arms working? That's the magic. Lower body power. Strong legs aren't just for show. They carry you through life. Let's build that foundation. Bodyweight squats. Squats are a full-body powerhouse. Lower yourself as if sitting in a chair and push through your heels to stand. Fun fact, you're also working your core without realizing it. Lunges, forward or reverse. Step forward or backward, lower your body and push back up. This move builds strength, balance, and confidence, one step at a time. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top. This simple move is surprisingly effective for building a strong lower body. Lie face up with knees bent and feet parallel and hip-width apart. Keep arms at your sides with palms flat on the floor. Press against the floor with your feet and palms as you lift those hips to the sky. Really squeeze those abs, thighs, and glutes until your body makes a straight line from chest to knees. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower and repeat. Make it harder. If you want a bigger challenge, try a single-legged bridge. Extend one leg out and keep it straight. Hold each side for 15 seconds to fit it into this 15-minute routine. Wall sit. Lean against a wall and lower into a seated position. Hold as long as you can. Your legs might shake, but that's just proof it's working. Section 5. Full body burn. Now it's time to put it all together. These full body moves will challenge your strength, endurance, and coordination. Burpees. The exercise everyone loves to hate. Start in a standing position, drop to a plank, do a push-up, and jump back up. Hate it now, love it later. Inchworm walkout. From standing, hinge forward, walk your hands to a plank, then walk them back. It's a stretch and a strength move all in one. Star jumps. Explode upward, spreading your arms and legs like a star. Land softly and repeat. It's cardio, power, and fun in one move. Bear crawl. Crawl forward and backward on your hands and feet. It's playful, challenging, and works your entire body. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay awesome.